rearrange the bird room yet again. There's Benny. You're welcome. There's Chloe. Georgie. All in front of the window now. There's their toolbox of goodies. My desk. And back over here is where they come in to play. We still have one perch on the wall. We've got one rope. And underneath the rope, I put this blanket in case somebody poos. And there's a dog. That's Barry. Barry likes chicken, don't you? And walks and bye-byes. And you like birds too, don't you? You're a good boy. And here is Libby. Libby, Libby, Libby. Libby loves all things food. Anyway. It's all cute and cozy. Everybody's happy. Yeah, I like it too. I'm showing your room off, Benny. Say goodbye. 3 bumps on a log. Yep. Oh, sharpen that beak, will you? What are you doing? What are you doing? No, you're pretty. You're welcome. Georgie, what do you have to say for yourself? Oh, she's out of here. What about you? You have anything to say? How about a little pet on the head? There you go. What are you doing? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. You're silly. Yes. He wants a kiss. Can you have a kiss? Can you have a kiss? Pretty babies. Hi, Benny. You're pretty. You're welcome. She's pretty, isn't she? Can you give a kiss? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Okay, see you later.